What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic all-rounder burger sauce. Stay tuned. This burger sauce will work for anything. From your beef burger, your chicken burger, a hot dog, or even your dipping sauce for your favorite French fries. In our family we've been using this sauce in various dishes, and it's been a crowd pleaser at our parties, even though it's such a simple and easy sauce to make on the go. Let me introduce you to all the ingredients. Let's get straight to it. We've got some chutney, hot dog sauce, mixed herbs, cayenne pepper, barbecue, salt and pepper to taste, and sweet chili. We have some mayonnaise, and if you like a kick in your sauce, like we do, some chilies. I'm going to leave all of the ingredients and the amounts for you somewhere in the screen, maybe there or there, who knows, and then you can check it out. Let's cut those chilies that we're going to use in our sauce here. Notice the glove I'm using, as you don't want to touch these chilies and then get in your face maybe. Our chutney, hot dog sauce, mixed herbs, cayenne pepper, barbecue, and some salt and pepper to taste. Some sweet chili. Don't forget your real chilies. Then we just mix them in all together. Now what we need to remember is that if you need to make more sauce at a particular time, then all you need to do is just multiply all the ingredients as to the size that you want to get. So we will leave in the description for you, and obviously in the screen, you must have seen it by now, all the ingredients and the amounts that you're going to need. So voila, there you go. Look at that burger sauce. Let's do the taste test. Voila. All we need now is a burger, a hot dog, or some fries to use this as a dipping sauce. Guys, if you like what you're doing here, you know the story. Like, share, subscribe, click on that bell so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Beautiful.